Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I created this cool toned look using the Jeffree Star Alien palette. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. I have already primed my eyes with concealer and translucent powder. Now I am going in with the shade Tall Grey on a Sigma E25 brush. I am tapping the color on my outer corner and start blending it out. This shade is a beautiful bluish grey tone and I love to wear it on its own all over the lid. I keep layering up the color and I'm starting blending it towards the inner corner. Now I am taking a MAC 224 brush with the color Titan on it and I am blending over the edges. Now I am taking the Sigma E25 brush and I'm placing the color Titan on the inner third of my lid. I am taking a bit more of Tall Grey and I am packing it on my outer corner for a little bit more dimension. I am taking the color Pluto on a Morphe M213 brush. For a little highlight, I am putting it on my inner corner and on my brow bone. Now I am finishing the look with some mascara on my upper and lower lashes. This is the finished look. I hope you like it. If you do, please hit the like button and comment down below. Let me know if you want to see more looks like this. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.